Hey, I've just got this lawnmower I'm going to chuck on online auction. It needs a new body. The body is a little bit, it's all tin, and needs that front axle probably fixed up if you're going to use that body. But other than that, it looks pretty good. It does move and stuff, but just needs to be more placed and fixed around here. That there probably needs to be fixed in position. They've come loose and they just don't stay in there anymore. So I'm just going to chuck a video of it running, and then you can see for yourself really. I've had this lawnmower since brand new. I think it's had a service once since I've had it, but it's one of those things that I just pull out of the shed, mow the lawn. We've got bugger all lawn here. Mow the lawn, and then that's the end of that. Goes back in the shed, so it gets beat on. It's been pretty beaten on, but still seems to run okay. I've got a new lawnmower, so I've updated this one. So I'll fire this up. And just bang the old couple of pumps. I'll just put you over here. I'll fire it up. There she is in all her glory. It seems to idle all right. It's got a bit of an up and down kind of idle, but it seems to fire up and stay going. So that's really what's saving it. Yeah, if you're interested, send us give us a holler or whatever, or have a look on Trade Me on the auction. No stress. Cheers.